Take graduation puns ideas from Meta AI. Now open Canva and go to T-shirt templates. Select one of the T-shirts template and add your desired text. Now go to Elements and go to Generate Image with AI. Now go to Graphics and add Prompt for image generation. You can select graphic styles according to your need. Hit Generate. 4 graphics will appear. Select and add them in your design. After editing, download a high-resolution PNG file. You can upload it to any of the print-on-demand websites. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe for more ideas.